Great. So, guys, I got another signal for you, and I wanted to share this signal with you. All right. So, this trade, this one is going down. All right. Using three indicators, the parabolic star, the RSI, and Bollinger Bands, I was able to predict the color and the direction and the size of this candle. And the next seven candles. I'm able to predict the next seven candles based on the previous candles. Yeah. As you can see, guys, so this strategy I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, go to the course in the description below. There's plenty good stuff there. I will teach you binary option. I will teach you my own strategy and everything I've been learning through these years. Amazing. So the first win. All right. This one is also, yeah, this one is also going up. I'm investing, as you can see, $300. Yeah, $300. If my prediction is right, I'm making $288. So that's 96%. 96%. That's not 100%. If I'm losing 100%. But if I'm winning only 96%. But that's okay, because if you got a good strategy, this doesn't matter. This doesn't really matter. So I'm trading on iqoption, guys. I'm trading on Euro USD binary option, and I'm expecting this one to go up. So as you can see, until now, I still have 8 seconds and I'm losing $300. That's okay if I'm losing. See, last second. Yep, last second. Great. So I almost lost, but that's all right. If I lost $300, I will make perhaps the next and the next. Great. Yeah, this one is also going up as expected. So I'm having here, here, here. Yeah. Yep. I invite you guys. So, guys, if you are interested, I still have 10 seconds. There's plenty good stuff, free stuff on the internet where you can learn trading, technical analysis. But if you are really interested in learning this strategy, guys, I have a course in the description below where I will teach you everything I learned over the years. I will teach you this strategy and everything I know about binary option. I invite you to go to the course, and yeah, perhaps you will master the strategy and you will make some profit. All right, this one is going down. Invested $300. I will stick with $300, or I will get to 500. I don't know. Let's see. Amazing. So I made $288. Um, let's try more. Let's try to open another trade. Just give me a minute. Great. Yeah, this one is expected to go up. Great. So I guess I still have, yeah, perhaps this one, this one, this one. So I still have three. I can predict the colors of the next three candles, 3 or 4. Yeah, perhaps 3. Let's see this one. Let's get this one. This one is, yeah, I couldn't predict exactly which direction this candle was taking, but yeah, great. This one is going down. This one is immediately after that the market will drop. Yeah, immediately after that the market is dropping. The market is dropping. So if my prediction is right, I'm investing $300, and if my prediction is right, I'm making $288. I guess this will be the last trade. Yeah, this one. All right. Yep. Let's see. Perhaps this is. No, 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 no. I will trade. I will open another trade. Yeah, I know. I know. Great. Great. So the next one. Yeah, based. But RSI is giving me trouble. All right. This one is going up. Yeah. This one. But this is the last one. All right. This is the last one. I want to stop here. I made enough. So I made enough. That's enough. How many trades? Yeah, perhaps 6 trades. 6 trades with $288. That's around $1400, sorry, or more, 1500 perhaps. Yep. Great, great. So let's see. Amazing. So let's quit. See you later, guys.